Welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive into a product that's been making some, well, pretty huge claims. It's the VLSVLS Bee Venom Skin Restoration Cream. The source material we dug into really paints this as a miracle in a jar.
That's the term they use,
It's
yeah.
saying it can lift sagging skin, smooth wrinkles, even tighten your whole body, and get rid of stretch marks. And get this in just a few days.
Right, the speed is key to the hype. So the real question for you listening is, is this actually some kind of skincare breakthrough?
Or is it just marketing?
Or is it just another case of overhyped beauty promises that don't deliver? That's what we need to figure out.
Okay, so let's start with maybe the most basic thing. The brand itself. The website, bappies.com. We found it was only registered in mid-2024.
Yeah, very, very new.
That feels like, well, an immediate red flag, doesn't
Yeah.
it? A brand that new making such massive claims.
Absolutely. And that newness, it's not just about, not having a track record.
Yeah.
It often means less accountability. But beyond that, the science.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
The evidence.
Or lack thereof. I mean, bee venom is used in some stem care. The idea, allegedly, is it causes a tiny bit of swelling to temporarily plump the skin. Kind of mimics filler.
Okay, so there's a concept there.
There's a concept, but for this specific VLS-VLS cream, we found 0 clinical evidence presented, no dermatologist studies mentioned, and crucially, no proper ingredient list.
Wait, no ingredient list? Or just not detailed?
Not one with specific percentages. You don't know how much bee venom, if any significant amount, is actually in there.
That seems not standard. Is that a big deal?
Oh, it's a huge red flag. Proper cosmetics need that info for efficacy, for safety. Hiding percentages often suggest they're either hiding low amounts of the active ingredient or, frankly, just don't have good quality control.
Okay, so lack of evidence, questionable ingredients. And then there are the visuals. The before and after photos look incredible.
They do, but here's the thing. We ran a reverse image search, and those exact photos popped up on totally unrelated websites. Different products, different contexts.
Wow, so reused images.
Looks like it. Same thing with the so-called doctor endorsements.
Let me guess. Stock photos.
Bingo. Generic stock photos passed off as expert testimonials. It's, pretty bold deception.
Okay, so the visual proof seems shaky at best. What about user reviews? They claim huge numbers, right?
They claim over 80,000 reviews just in the U.S.,
Right.
which is, a massive number for a new product.
Right.
But when we checked major independent sites, like Trustpilot, nothing. Not one review found for this specific VLS-VLS cream.
So where are those 80,000 reviews coming from?
That's the question, isn't it? It makes you rely on, well, what little third-party chatter you can find, which isn't much and seems pretty mixed.
We did see that similar sort of generic bee venom creams on places like Amazon. They don't fare that well. Average ratings hovering around, 3.2 stars?
Yeah, lukewarm is a good word. Not exactly miracle territory.
And we found a couple of specific user comments that sort of capture this range. One person did say they felt a warm sensation and thought their skin maybe looked a bit better the next day, but then they immediately complained the jar was tiny, like really small for the cost.
Right. Value for money is another angle. And the negative side.
Well, we saw one comment saying it did absolutely nothing, even using it multiple times a day for weeks. 0 change.
Frustrating.
And they also mentioned there were no instructions in the box.
Ugh. So no guidance on how to even use it properly.
Exactly. It just adds to the whole picture.
So pulling it all together, what does this mean for you? It really looks like this VLS-VLS cream is running almost entirely on, let's say, aggressive hype.
Yeah, reused images, questionable claims.
Shady marketing tactics, really, not actual proven results. There's just no solid science backing it up that we could find.
So the practical advice here seems pretty clear.
Yeah, basically, save your money, skip this one. If you're genuinely curious about bee venom as an ingredient, maybe look for a version on Amazon or another big retailer.
Somewhere with buyer protection.
Exactly. And somewhere you can see real, verified user reviews, warts and all. But even then, manage your expectations.
Right. Okay, so before we wrap up, maybe a final thought for our listeners.
Yeah, something to chew on. Given how incredibly easy it seems to be to fake images, those before and afters, the doctor photos, and spread them online, how much weight should any of us really give to purely visual evidence when we see these bold new claims pop up online? Especially for products promising the moon.
That's a really good question. Something to definitely keep in mind next time you're scrolling.